Hey guys, so I have something to show you guys today, and it is ta-da! My Nama J2 juicer. I was really holding myself back in buying this, but here I am. I had to get it. To add to my juices collection. I have 3 juices. I have the pure juicer, the Breville juicer, and finally the Nama. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna unbox it, use it, and let you guys know what I think about it. So if you're thinking about getting a Nama juicer, just wait
Okay, so
till
right
the end of
here, I
this
was just
video.
opening the box. It actually comes in this box. I unboxed it. I have my little helper helping me right here. So in here, you have the chamber set and quick guide. You have the smoothies strainer, the pusher cleaning brush, the juice containers, and the pop container, as well as the base, plus the manual and juice recipes. So I took the chamber set out to try to put everything together. So that's the juice pulp container, and that's the base. Oh my goodness, this base is so heavy. One of the heaviest bases I've ever seen. Actually, I'm just kidding. It wasn't that bad. Yeah, kind of just taking the stuff out. That's like the strainer that goes into the juicer. And this is a layering guide teaching you how to layer your fruits and vegetables. Like you have to layer the grains has to go in first before maybe the softest fruit and vegetables before the hardest one. So I try to put everything together and kind of like just taking the power cord out to to plug it in, and that's it. It wasn't too bad to set it together. Oh, I forgot I did not quite get it right. So I just tried to figure it out, but I couldn't. So I had to go get the manual. I tend not to follow instructions sometimes, which is a problem. So I figured it out right after reading the manual. You'd have to set it on a flat surface in order to be able to lock the chamber sets in, to lock it together before you can use it. It actually took me couple minutes to get it done because I did not read the manual. So that's the juice pulp container and the juice and the pulp containers I set together. Oh my goodness, look, she is so pretty. This is one of the prettiest juices ever. My kids couldn't get enough. The kids and I decided to make some apple, celery, and orange juices, and the kids were just all over the juices. They were so excited to use the new juicer. And it's kid friendly. We made the juice. It tasted amazing, except for pulp in it that we had to strain. But look at it, gorgeous juice.
So we are back. I am back after juicing. So what do I think about the juicer? Are you guys ready? Drum roll. Ta-da! It's an amazing juicer. It is actually one of the best juicers out there. I've been juicing for more than 12 years, and I must say this is actually one of the best of the best juicers in town. Is it worth the money? Yes. Everything is worth your health. If you want to take good care of your health, you might as well just spend the extra dollar to buy a good juicer. And one thing I noticed though is the pulp. Um, if you're juicing, you want the juicer to extract as much juice as possible from the fruit, right? So the juices aren't trapped in the pulp. So let me show you. So this is the pulp from one of my juices, right? So I made beet, apples, carrot juice with some greens. So this is it. Look, it's just falling off. It has no juice in it. So the pulp is so dry. This is what you want to look out for when buying a juicer, so you're not throwing money down the drain on juicers that would you know, not even extract all the juices out of your juicer. I mean, out of your fruit and veggies. So would I recommend Nama Juicer? Absolutely. Go for it. It's great. It's one of the best out there. And one thing though, one thing I did not like about this Nama, which might not be a big deal, you know, it just depends on you, is there are traces of pulp in the juice. So if you're someone who likes pulps in your juicer, you are okay. You are okay to go. If you're like me, you want your juice so smooth, you might want to buy this strainer. You might want to buy this strainer on the Nama website when you are buying your juicer, so you can strain the juices after you make them. So this is the end of my video on my review for Nama Juicer. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to this video.